G'day the internet. We're still working on this clapped out Capri. We've got our seats done, but now it's time to sort out these rear flares. So I've already done a whole lot of work on these flares, getting them sorted out. You can see this used to be attached to the car, and I'll show you a photo of what that used to look like now. I've also done a little bit of rust work down here. There was just a small rust bubble, so I've gone ahead and cut that out and put some new steel in. You can see it's just got a little bit of surface rust from sitting with no paint on it for a little while. Now I've tried to flare the original guards enough just to cover the new 13-inch wheels, and I think they're looking pretty good. You can see that the original body lines and stuff all maintained, and that's part of the requirements as well. We're not allowed to get up into this area and start modifying or reshaping that area. So what's going to happen with this now is I'll remove this wheel, get the sander out, sand that steel back before I put a little bit of body filler in, just to smooth the small transition here. You can see there's a little bit of body filler originally from when the flares were installed. Once the body filler's done, we'll put some primer and some white paint on. It won't be a perfect colour match, but it'll be pretty damn close. What's up guys, we're out of the shed today, doing some wet sanding on these guards. Let's check it out. So you can see we're pretty much done, but there is quite a rough edge just here where it transitions from the primer to the existing paint. So that's what we're going to sand out today using some wet sanding. It's just waterproof sandpaper, you can buy it at any local shop, and we use an 800 grit, water is some lube. Let's get into it. Yeah, finished up wet sanding. It's come up pretty good, but where I've masked off to do some of the blogging, there's a little bit of residue just on the edges. So I think I just have to go around with a bit of slightly coarser sandpaper just to get that off. I was having a bit of trouble wet sanding that out. But other than that, it's come out really good. So we'll carry on, and then we will put some top coat on this thing. Okay guys, we're finally finished sanding. Yes! So let's check out the handiwork and see what you think. I think you can just see the colour difference. Because this car has been repainted, it was really hard to get a perfect match. So I think I'm going to leave it there for now. We can always come back and basically give it some more sanding and some more top coats after, and just lift the line where we cut it into the original paint a little higher. So yeah, that's it for now. The rear flares are done. Just don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. We're off racing this weekend, so there's sure to be some sweet action. Feral Fabrication out.